The Active Brudis are back on the next fixed rope route via Ferrata. Mario is going ahead again, Arjen is following. Here it's again, we are close to the other one, Röbi Schlucht, Röbi Valley in English, and wrong Wasserfall means wrong waterfall. You must only go from downstairs to upstairs, not vice versa. Active Brudis, are you looking forward?
Yeah.
Okay, super, let's go. Arjen, the two of us keep a bit of a distance.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent. Mario is climbing upstairs. So Arjen is closely following. The two Active Brudis are ready. I hope you are ready for watching this amazing experience. Arjen is exchanging again one by one. Good job, Arjen. Here we go. Mario is crossing the river. Crazy boy. Hey. You're a crazy monkey. Arjen, please wait. Please wait, otherwise it's shaking when he's... It's scary, huh? Holy crap. He is crossing the river, Mario. Ah, scary one. Arjen also follows closely to Mario. With one hand only, because I need to hold the camera as well. And the Active Brudis are already going ahead while I'm shaking around here. Oh my goodness. I also passed it. That's good. Now I need to follow Arjen. Oopsie. Mario is already going ahead. Arjen, you like it?
Yeah.
You need to exchange your carabiners here. Always one by one. You keep a bit of a distance to Mario. And over there is the waterfall. Woo! We are coming closer to the waterfall. Mario is already hanging here like a monkey. Here's the waterfall. He's exchanging one by one. And then we need to go up over there. We are here. Here's the waterfall. Mario is coming. Mario, all good?
Yeah.
Alright, here's the waterfall. Arjen is also climbing up. Arjen, if you want, you can go ahead. Okay. Alright, enjoy. It's a thrilling experience, huh?
In the ground.
Yeah, you can stand here on that step. Here's the waterfall. We are walking along the waterfall. It's an amazing experience. All right, here's Arjen. Arjen, all good? It's a steep one. He's going down the waterfall. Around about 50 meters. Excellent, huh, Mario?
Yeah.
We continue to hike up. Arjen is going ahead. He's doing a really good job. Down here's the waterfall. And Mario is coming behind me. That's really deep views. Good one. All right, Arjen, you did the most thrilling part. You can go ahead. You can go ahead. Down here is the waterfall. It goes down around about 50 meters. Both of the Active Brudis did it in an excellent way. Mario, you like it?
Yeah.
That's a thrilling one, huh? Arjen, good job. Hey, congrats. A really good one. I will switch your carabiners here because it's a bit steep still, right? But you did it in an excellent way. Congrats, Arjen. Yeah, I'm coming to support you. Here, over there is another step. Very good. And then you can go ahead. So Mario's in the pole position again.
What is with here?
You are going ahead. We keep a bit of a distance to you. I will support if necessary, you just cry out if you need help. And then we need to go here, crossing this path. It's really amazing views that we have here. This is where we came from. On that fixed rope route, or via Ferrata, however you call it. In German we say Klettersteig. We're climbing up, we are always connected to the rope with at least one of our carabiners. Arjen is climbing ahead of me again, he is doing an excellent job here. Here, it's going down this canyon, scary one. We are moving on here on that fixed rope route. Arjen goes ahead of me, Mario is already ahead of the two of us. Arjen, how about, you like it?
Yeah.
Good. That's amazing views, guys, I tell you. Looking down here, this is where we came from. We hiked up all the way. Here's Arjen going his way. Going his way upstairs, over there, the canyon. Also this one already coming to an end. Here are the two Active Brudis.
Hi.
Hey, you did it!
Finally.
Finally! This was quite a steep one, I have to say, huh?
Yeah.
And with spectacular views
Look at this view.
downstairs. Look at this.
What?
Amazing!
What? We were down there.
We were down there, we walked up all the way.
Up here.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
All the time?
Yeah.
Alright, so we go it one more time.
No.
We do it. No, I think we are tired. This was the second one today. Alright, so those are the Active Brudis. They enjoyed it. It was 2 fixed rope routes via Ferrata on one day. The Active Brudis say thanks for watching and see you next time.
Bye. Like and subscribe.